Welcome to the ultimate showdown between two top high-end Xiaomi robot vacuums. In the red corner, we've got the Xiaomi X20 Plus, known for its powerful 6,000 pascals suction and S-Cross wide-area obstacle avoidance system. And in the blue corner, the Xiaomi X10 Plus, packed with features like intelligent hot air mop drying and smart carpet recognition for easier cleaning across all surfaces. And in this video, we'll compare their cleaning efficiency, smart features, ease of usage, and maintenance to find out which one offers the best value for your money. As always, you'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1. Cleaning efficiency. The Xiaomi X20 Plus offers 4 suction modes: silent, standard, strong, and turbo, with a max suction of 6,000 pascals. It easily picks up fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris on both hard floors and rugs. Strong mode works best for daily cleaning, but flour and particles in floor cracks might need a second pass. The side brush can sometimes push crumbs out, though it usually cleans them up on the next sweep. On carpets, performance is solid, though not perfect. For mopping, it uses 2 rotating pads spinning at 180 revolutions per minute. But since it has no water tank inside the vacuum, it keeps going back to the base to re-wet the mops. This takes extra time and breaks the cleaning flow. It also doesn't support cleaning solutions. Only plain water is allowed. Now, the Xiaomi X10 Plus also comes with 4 suction modes and reaches 4,000 pascals at peak. Standard mode doesn't always clean crumbs well on hard floors, but strong and turbo modes work great for tiles and wood. On carpets with pet fur, turbo mode does a decent job. It also cleans in a structured way, starting with edges, then moving in rows, which gives full coverage. While the X20 Plus is stronger in suction, the X10 Plus offers better overall coverage and smart cleaning flow. So this round goes to the X10 Plus. Round number 2, ease of use and smart features. The X20 Plus runs for 120 to 180 minutes on a full charge, depending on suction mode and floor type. If the battery runs low, it goes back to the dock, charges, and continues from where it stopped. Navigation is handled by a laser and a camera, along with a spring-loaded bumper. It avoids most obstacles well, but struggles with small items like cables. You will need to mark carpets manually in the app since it doesn't detect them on its own. It maps rooms quickly and accurately, and you can control everything using the Mi Home app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. The X10 Plus has the same battery capacity, 5,200 mAh, but lasts up to 240 minutes. It can easily cover around 2,500 square feet on a full charge. It's compact at just under 99 millimeters in height, so it fits under beds and couches. It uses advanced laser and 3D mapping to avoid bumping into furniture, and even slows down at edges. The mop pads lift when carpets are detected, and it can vacuum and mop at the same time. You can use the Mi Home app for custom settings, live tracking, and schedule controls. It also includes TÜV Rheinland certification for data privacy and has a security chip for safer cloud storage. Overall, X10 Plus for better obstacle handling, smarter mop lifting, and longer battery life. Round number 3, ease of maintenance. The X20 Plus comes with a large base that handles dustbin emptying, mop cleaning, and water management. It has separate tanks for clean and dirty water, and a 4-liter capacity that lets it mop up to 280 square meters before needing a refill. The mop pads are air-dried with cold air, not heat, and it doesn't support any cleaning solutions. It also has a removable tray for easier cleanup. Routine care is similar on both models. You'll need to clean filters, brushes, and water tanks every 2 weeks. Replace side brushes and filters every 3 to 6 months, main brushes every 6 to 12 months, and mop pads every 1 to 3 months. Clean the sensors once a month to keep things running smoothly. The X10 Plus has a base with strong 17,000 pascals suction for auto emptying. It can hold about 60 days worth of dust. It uses 2 scrubbing discs to clean the mop pads and dries them with hot air. Plus, it refills its internal water tank automatically, so the robot doesn't have to stop too often. When the dust bag is full, it seals shut to trap allergens. Winner of this round is X10 Plus again, for hot air drying, sealed dust bag, and more self-sufficient maintenance. Round number 4. Customer support and warranty. Both vacuums come with a standard 1-year warranty, covering manufacturing defects under regular use. Customer service reviews are mixed. Some users report fast support and smooth repairs, while others mention long delays or unresolved problems. This round is a tie, since the warranty terms are the same and service varies by location. So, which one should you choose? If you want stronger suction and don't mind a bit more hands-on setup, the Xiaomi X20 Plus is a great value. It's powerful and gets the job done, though it needs more manual input for mopping and carpet setup. But if you prefer a hands-free, smarter cleaning experience, the Xiaomi X10 Plus wins in nearly every other way: mop drying, carpet detection, data security, and ease of use. Let us know which one you'd choose in the comments below. And for another helpful cleaning guide, check out this video next.